This is Telica Volcano. We just hike and check the crater. You're gonna see the video soon on our web page. So right now I'm in a group with 7 people. Beautiful day. We're just beginning the rainy season, and actually it's pretty clear. You can see even the Pacific Ocean. You can see it over there, nice and clear. A year since this clear view, so it's a good time to come and check it. So you see all around. Volcanic change over there. Little chilly, nice clouds. So this is pretty much the terrain here in Telica Volcano. If you want to see more details about this place, just check greenpathways.com or check our YouTube's accounts, Flickr, Facebook. Just remember, check Green Pathways, and you'll see a lot of great videos and stuff. Oh, there you are.